Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make DayZ run better on Xbox. The primary method involves optimizing your console's storage and network settings. An external solid-state drive, or SSD, is a game changer for DayZ on Xbox. It dramatically reduces loading screens and improves overall game fluidity. These drives are much faster than your console's internal hard drive, leading to a smoother and more responsive experience. Even a 250GB SSD can make a noticeable difference. Beyond an SSD, there are other steps you can take. Regularly clearing your Xbox cache can resolve many performance issues, making your game load faster and run more smoothly. Also, proper ventilation is crucial. Ensure your console isn't in an enclosed space to prevent overheating, which can severely impact performance. Finally, always try to keep at least 15% of your internal storage free for system updates and temporary files. Your network connection also plays a vital role. A wired Ethernet connection provides a more stable and faster experience than Wi-Fi, reducing lag and desync. Experiment with DayZ's in-game settings, such as sensitivity and camera curvature, to find what works best for you. While these won't directly boost frames per second, they can significantly enhance your gameplay feel. Also, consider using in-game voice chat for better immersion and communication with fellow survivors. Ultimately, upgrading to a newer Xbox Series X or S console provides the most significant performance boost for DayZ, offering smoother frame rates and quicker loading. If that's not an option, remember that playing on a less populated server can also help reduce lag and improve your overall experience. These combined strategies will help you get the best possible DayZ experience on your Xbox. And for more great deals, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.